Does your RT not want a party? Sounds like this one needs a starter. Is it necessary to go to this extreme just to access the starter? On the R1100 and R1150 RT models, yes. In fact, we're not even there yet. There's still one more step to go before we're removing the starter. Let me show you on an R1150 RT that is together. This is an R1150 RT. Your starter is located here. To access your starter, you will need to remove the dual seat, the mirror, this trim panel, this lateral trim panel, and the foot peg plate. What's inside? A brandy dandy new Valeo starter with parts. Let's install this, shall we? And get RDP back on the road. You need to disconnect the negative cables from both batteries if you have an authority model. If you have a civilian model, you only have to worry about this one. Unplug. It's just a blade connector. Remove. Washer. Nut. Cable. There are 2 mounting screws on this starter. You're looking at one of them right here. The other one, not quite so easy to see. There's a zip tie here you gotta cut. It's that one there. Holds the wires in the back. Got yourself a starter. There's a pin. See this pin? This pin is very important. Make sure the pin is there. If the pin is missing, fabricate yourself a little pin. It's just to hold the starter in the proper place so that you have the proper gear lash, Bendix drive gear to flex plate. We need the alignment pin from the starter. This is easy. Pair of vice grips. The pin comes right out. We take our freshly removed pin, we insert it